Y'all, I'm going to make something that's so good to feed our big old sweet tooth. My grandchildren and Michael and me, the big children, we love s'mores, but I know it's nothing like compared to a lot of the country, but it's been cool. So we tend not to go outside and grill out. And that's where you think you are going to be wanting to make your s'mores. And you poor folks that are dealing with snow and ice and all that, this would be a quick and easy way to make s'mores for the family, but do them inside. You don't have to face the weather. So I actually got a recipe in Southern Baking Book for skillet s'mores, but I'm changing it around just a little. Like I said, because I can. Because I can. I love almond flavor. So what I'm doing is I'm melting 11 ounces of Hershey bars. And I want to just get that melted because I'm going to add like a half a teaspoon of almond extract to it. Because like I said, Michael and I just love that almond flavor. So like I said, I'm just going to do like a half a teaspoon. And then I'm going to stir in some roasted salty almonds, whole almonds. And then we're going to top our melted chocolate with some miniature marshmallows. And I just went to cut on my broiler, and my broiler, I can't get my broiler to come on. It's gas, and there's some reason it just doesn't want to fire. So I'm just going to stick these in a regular oven and to get my marshmallows melting. If that doesn't work, I'll use my torch. But I'm going to get them melted some way or another. Now you can, depends on how many folks you're making this for, you can double the chocolate amount. Or you can lessen it too if you just want it for the two of y'all. Just do it in a small skillet. All right. I'm going to throw just a handful of roasted salted almonds. And I love the salty and the sweet together. I've got this on real low, y'all. I think it could stand another little drop of almond. So I probably wind up putting a teaspoon in. Uh-oh. I'm going to cut this off because it's starting to get real hot. All right, so I'm going to just top it with our marshmallows. Okay. And like I said, I'm going to have to just put this in a regular oven and let it bake. I'm going to have chocolate everywhere. Look. Well, you know what? I may just torch them.
I think you should let them melt just a few minutes in the oven.
You think so?
And then torch the top.
Yeah. It's hot, y'all. So here's what I would do. You know, you just have to try things, and if they work, good. If they don't, and you can improve it some, I would not melt these on top of the stove, but I felt like I had to because I put in the almond extract and I had to mix it in. So next time I make these, I'll just put my chocolate in there and top it with my choice of nuts, cover it with marshmallows, and then put it in the oven. But I'm one of those crazy folks. If I eat a Hershey, the little miniature Hershey bars, I'll hold it in my hand, or either I'll sit on it to get it warm. And if I'm in the car, I'll put it up on the sun visor because I just love melted chocolate. That's my story, Morning Glory, and I'm sticking to it. Yum.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.